need this crap.
Oh. That's Rodney Mullen style right there, dude. Oh my God. Everyone's just watching him now. Rodney Mullen. No way. Oh my gosh. Rodney Mullen, man. Dude. What's his name? Jeff Bird. Alright, this is going on YouTube. We found Jesus at Skate City. August 16th. Dude! I'm doing a freaking spacewalk, dude. Holy crap, man. Good Lord. Oh, this is easy. Tell him to wave to the camera. He'll wave to the camera. Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh my God. Oh, there he goes, walking the dog there. Wrap around. I'm gonna have to stop the video in a second. I was hoping he'd do some speeding ramp crap that he was doing earlier. Alright, well, I guess we're done recording now. I don't want it to be too long. Oh, that was sexy. Oh! Oh my God, Kingpin. Holy crap, dude. Holy crap. Okay, Justin, you're not pro. I said he's not pro anymore. Oh. Alright, the video's done now. Peace.